Can we play outside today?
Of course you can. My favorite dress is getting too small, Mom.
Oh, look! The weather is changing.
Let's go shopping for new clothes.
In spring, weather can change quickly. Some days are sunny, some are rainy.
Hello, family. What are you planning today? Anna, can you tell me what the weather is like today?
It was sunny, but now it is raining. The weather changed.
Excellent, Anna. Sunny, rainy, you know weather words. Tomorrow we can learn more.
Tomorrow is sunny and warm.
Rain. I like rain.
Let me draw what we need.
And some pretty colors. Mom, I want a new summer dress with flowers.
I have ideas too. I need big rain boots for splashing in puddles.
Good idea. We need an umbrella for rainy days. Look, some days will be very cold.
I need a super warm winter jacket.
And a warm hat and gloves for my hands.
Hi again. How is the planning going? What weather words have you learned today?
I know. Sunny, rainy, snowy, cloudy, and hot and cold.
I need rain boots and an umbrella and a warm jacket.
You know so much. Let me teach you one more word. Forecast. Forecast.
Forecast. Forecast.
Our list is ready. Summer, rain, and winter clothes.
Tomorrow we go shopping for all seasons.
So many dresses. I like the pink one and the yellow. This one, Mom. It's beautiful, Anna. Maybe the yellow one, too? Oh, this is perfect. I look so pretty. It fits perfectly.
Boys section, finally. This one looks cool. These are good for summer.
A hat for the sun.
How do I look?
Very stylish.
Look up at the sky. It is raining.
Everyone come stand under the umbrella.
I want these. I want the pink rain boots. My new boots fit my feet perfectly.
I found blue boots. Blue is my favorite color.
My blue ones are great.
We need a big umbrella for the whole family. This umbrella is big, and this one is small.
There are so many different colors of raincoats. This material is waterproof. It keeps the water out.
This blue jacket will keep me completely dry.
Hello, family. I came to help you shop. Rain boots are great because they keep your feet dry. Those are excellent choices for a rainy day.
so cold today.
Let's hurry. The winter store is just ahead.
Ah, it feels so wonderfully warm and cozy in here. I see a warm winter coat. I choose this pink one.
This jacket has so many pockets.
This green sweater is so soft. This scarf is nice and warm.
Looking good.
My mittens have pink hearts.
This is a very cool hat.
Now my ears are very warm.
You look great in that jacket.
Your winter outfit is beautiful.
These are perfect choices for winter.
We are finally home.
Look at all our new clothes.
And these are all of our winter things.
These are all of our summer things.
Look, here are my new rain boots. Rain boots go right by the door.
Let's play a fun weather game. I will say a weather word, and you show me the right clothes.
Show me clothes for summer.
Show me clothes for rainy weather.
Show me clothes for winter.
Hello, family. Let's see what you learned today. Can you tell me what this is?
It's a notebook.
Excellent job, Anna.
Now I know exactly what to wear for the rainy weather.
Wonderful job, Jack. You learned so much about weather today.
It is time to celebrate with a snack.
These cookies are so yummy.
We are ready for any kind of weather.
Now we're ready for any weather. Thanks for helping us learn today. See you same time next week.